Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to delete multiple chats at once on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu. Find the Telegram app and tap on it. Tap and hold the chat to select. Now tap on the chats you wish to delete. After making the selection, tap the delete icon at the top of the page. Now tap on delete again to confirm. That's it. Selected chats has been deleted. This is how you can delete multiple chats at once on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.